Ontario Sports Empire is a next-generation sports complex built from the ground up. Designed for consistency and high performance, every field begins with the science beneath the surface. This transformation starts with mass grading, where the site is reworked to establish the foundation for everything that follows. Earth is moved and compacted to create a stable base, setting the stage for a drainage system that is engineered to perform well beyond what's visible at the surface. During mass grading, geotechnical and agronomic testing provides a deeper understanding of the soils on site. By analyzing composition, density, and strength, engineers can evaluate how the ground will respond over time, informing design decisions that improve long-term performance and reliability. Where needed, the soil is conditioned and stabilized to meet those demands, creating a consistent subgrade that supports the layers above it. Specific to the synthetic fields at Ontario Sports Empire is a custom blend of drainage rock aggregate, sourced and manufactured from a single local quarry. Tested at the source and verified again on site to meet strict project specifications, this material is carefully placed with drain lines and precisely graded to form the structural backbone beneath the turf. This combination of compacted subgrade soils, engineered aggregate, and drain lines build a foundation that manages water efficiently while creating a high-performance playing surface. With that groundwork in place, the project moves into its most visible phase. Turf installation transforms the site in a matter of days. Each roll is hand-laid and sewn with precision, forming a seamless surface that reflects the accuracy of everything beneath it. But the process doesn't end there. The installation of sand and rubber infill, followed by field grooming and weed control, prepares the fields for opening day, while ongoing maintenance ensures they continue to perform at a high level. At Ontario Sports Empire, next-generation performance is engineered from the ground up, where every layer, from soil to aggregate to turf, work together to create a better playing experience. The future of play starts here.